Viewing stock number 156443 on the 2015 GMC Sierra SLT, and our exterior color is black. Interior options include power windows, locks and mirrors, power folding mirrors, memory seats, wood grain trim, power seats with lumbar support, leather wrap upholstery, light controls, four-wheel drive controls and trailer brake, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, sunroof, cruise control, heated steering wheel, hands-free communication and audio controls, OnStar with electrochromatic mirror, garage door opener, sunroof controls, CD AM/FM radio with auxiliary, dual zone climate control with AC, heated seats, power adjustable foot pedals, traction control, rear cargo lamp controls, parking assist controls, and hill descent controls. And our interior color is black. Moving on to exterior features, we have running boards, 20-inch polished alloy rims, tailgate step, rear parking assist, backup camera, spray-on box liner, and more cargo space. Rear options include power windows, 60/40 split bench seats with center armrest and cup holders, sliding rear window, and you could fold the seats up for more storage space. Once again, we're viewing stock number 156443 on a 2015 GMC Sierra SLT, and our exterior color is black.